This is the evidence, the motions, and other detritus of justice that they have filed over the years, chronicling a litany of petty complaints that have made their way into my courtroom. Their parking space dispute will not join them.
Yes, sir. I will get on this.
It's on the schedule for tomorrow, 9 a.m.
What?
9 a.m.
Judge, come on. I mean, these guys are clearly playing out some relationship mess through the courts. You can't give me one day to fix this.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't. See, tomorrow morning, 2 miles offshore, I'm having a ceremony for my dad. I'm scattering his ashes at sea. I have a permit from the Coast Guard.
Your dad was a great man.
Thank you, sir. So, can't I have a little bit more time?
No.
Come on!
You can do this, probably.
Well, if I can't, you're not throwing me in jail.
You keep telling yourself that.